Have you ever wanted help with an online order in the middle of the night and actually got a helpful answer right away? Imagine typing just a quick message into a chat window and getting exactly what you need almost instantly. No waiting around or listening to hold music. That smooth, human-like help is all thanks to virtual agents working behind the scenes. I'm Penny with Jotform, and in this video, we're going to talk all about virtual agents. I'll break down what they are, how they work, the ways they're transforming different industries, and why they might just be your business's new secret weapon. Let's jump right in. So, first things first. A virtual agent is an AI-powered helper that understands what people say in plain language and can respond with the right information or actions. Now, a lot of people think virtual agents and basic chatbots are the same thing, but they're actually not. Virtual agents are a step up. They use fancy stuff like natural language processing, intent recognition, and contextual learning. Basically, that means they don't just spit out canned responses. They can handle more complicated tasks and have conversations that feel natural. There are a bunch of benefits virtual agents bring to businesses. For starters, they keep customer service running 24/7 without needing people to work overnight. They also cut costs by handling tons of routine questions, which frees up human agents to tackle the more complicated stuff. And when customers get quick, accurate answers any time of day, they tend to stay happier and more loyal. Let's dive a bit deeper into how this tech actually works. Virtual agent technology combines natural language processing, machine learning, intelligent search, and even robotic process automation. Put that all together and you get a system that understands requests, finds the right info, and does tasks in real time. A big part of how virtual agents operate is intent recognition. They don't just pick out keywords, they analyze the entire sentence, look at the context, and figure out what you actually mean. So if you type, "I can't log in," the agent knows you probably need help resetting your password and doesn't just send a generic link. On top of that, new tech like speech-to-text and optical character recognition, or OCR, has pushed things even further. Now, virtual agents can handle voice commands and even read text from documents and images. So, if you upload a form or an invoice, the agent can pull out the details and check them on the spot. Sentiment analysis also helps these agents figure out if a customer is frustrated or happy, so they can respond more empathetically. One of the coolest things is virtual agents keep getting smarter. Unlike old-school bots that just repeat the same answers, modern virtual agents learn over time. They study each interaction and tweak their responses to fit your industry and your customers better and better. Another major plus is how virtual agents hook into backend systems. They don't just chat, they can look up information in your databases, process payments, update records, and handle more complex workflows all on their own. Now, you might hear the term AI agent too and wonder how that's different. Well, they're related, but not exactly the same. Virtual agents focus mostly on talking to customers and solving customer service issues. AI agents can do a lot more. Think of your phone's personal assistant that manages your calendar, or an automated system that makes investment decisions in real time. AI agents usually work with broader, more flexible learning and don't always need constant training. So, when does this difference matter? It's about picking the right tool for the job. If you want to automate repetitive, structured tasks, virtual agents are perfect. If you need something more adaptable that can make decisions in other areas of your business, then an AI agent might be the way to go. Let's look at a real-world example. Jotform AI agents take online forms and turn them into interactive conversational tools. You can teach your AI agent with your own data, and it becomes a smart helper that asks and answers questions, gathers information, and keeps your customers moving through forms without confusion. No coding needed. Industries everywhere are benefiting from virtual agents, so let's check out some common use cases. Customer service is the big one. Virtual agents help lower call center wait times and tackle simple questions fast. Studies show most people actually prefer quick answers from chatbots instead of waiting for a human to pick up the phone. Businesses save money on staffing and can keep support running around the clock. E-commerce is another area where virtual agents shine. Online stores use them to help shoppers find products, track orders, and even handle returns. They can recommend add-ons or related products, which boosts sales and keeps customers happy and coming back for more. In HR and recruitment, virtual agents make life easier by answering questions about benefits or company policies and helping new hires complete their paperwork. For recruiters, they can handle scheduling interviews and screening candidates, speeding up the hiring process and freeing HR teams to focus on finding the best fit. IT departments love virtual agents too. They act as the first line of help for employees who have tech issues. They guide staff through simple fixes and pass along the tougher problems to human technicians when needed. No matter where they're used, the results usually look the same: faster service, happier customers, lower costs, and better productivity for employees. Companies that use virtual agents often stand out as more modern and customer-friendly than their competitors. So, what are the steps to get the agents to work? It usually goes like this. First, you figure out the scope of what you want your virtual agent to handle. Next, you connect it to your databases and other systems. Then, you train it with examples and info that match your industry. After that, you launch it in a test run and keep an eye on how it does. Once it's live, you keep improving it by analyzing how customers interact with it and making updates where needed. Done right, a virtual agent can become a trusted helper for both your team and your customers, handling repetitive tasks so your people can focus on things that really need a human touch. Let's wrap up with a quick look at the biggest perks. Virtual agents boost efficiency by tackling repetitive questions, which saves your human staff from more important work. They also make customers happier by being available 24/7 and answering questions immediately, which builds trust and loyalty. Compared to hiring more support staff, virtual agents are way cheaper to scale up during busy times or keep things running smoothly overnight. Virtual agents are great at detecting personalized preferences and behaviors of your customers. They can help cross-sell and upsell your products based on each person's needs. Every chat or interaction provides insights you can use to spot trends, fix problems, and find ways to make your product or service even better. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. With tools like Jotform AI Agents, you can build your own virtual agent that fits your business needs without writing a single line of code. So, whether you're in customer support, HR, IT, e-commerce, or healthcare, virtual agents can help you deliver faster, more personalized service and stand out in a crowded market. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm Penny with Jotform. If you enjoyed this, click that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. See you soon.